In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on this phone. So at the very beginning, you need to open the settings, then select developer options. However, if you cannot find them at the bottom of settings list, you need to unlock them. To do it, just take a look at our tutorial on how to turn on developer mode and then click to open. And here, just scroll a bit lower where you will notice auto update system. Click to activate it. And that will be all. So as you can see, it's super easy and quick operation. From now on, your updates will be applied automatically as only device restarts. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.